coming up. The likes of Jordan Morris, Miles Robinson, and Brandon Vasquez shared the 2015 final, or semi, I should say, that was won by the Reggae.
Looking for, and even though they're not starting, they will play a role going forward. And whether it's in that they expect themselves to consistently win.
Soldier Field is getting set for the opening match of this, the 17th edition of the CONCACAF. It's been a rough run as of late for Jamaica. Struggles off the field, new head coach, man who did some wonders with Iceland. Now the start of another goal.
You're going to see some flexibility within that formation in the way in which they attack. 5 goals for West Ham. They are absolutely loaded in attack. One of the most talented
is underway. United States debuting these new blues for him, and instead finds Senor, and he forces the first save of the game out of Andre Blake.
Well, a lot happening in this sequence. At first, the attack from Jamaica. He's just trying to get the ball initially. The ball is cleared, and then on the follow-through.
His coach, he took the job in September. The first game was against Lionel Messi and Senora. Damian Lowe on a yellow card, gets a tackle exactly right.
It pulled him back.
Yedlin's cross deep to the back post, too far.
To try to perform, and that's where you see guys start to rise to the top. It takes individual moments of brilliance.
Gray on Yedlin. Gray, and that was blocked by Ada Moore. Damian Lowe is there. Does it have enough momentum behind it to get all the... Trying to get that across, and it was Tolkien there to clear in front of Decourt over Reed. Remember, the last Gold Cup that the U.S. won, it was a 1-0 win over Haiti in the opening game. It took them a game and a half.
Yeah.
Runs past it. Gray drives that one in, and a free header's a goal. It's Damian Lowe. Gives Jamaica the early lead over the United States.
Well, point of emphasis, and we talked to Greg Berhalter before this game. One of the things he said this team needs to get better on in this next cycle, set pieces. Now, I think that
2.5 years took this Jamaica job. He said he's under a lot of pressure from the Jamaican media. The players, despite that pressure, publicly supportive of what Holmgren. Morris, deflected cross. Blake trying to prevent the corner, has not done so. It's out for a U.S. corner. Ball only as far as Tolkien. Couldn't get that thing down.
Yeah, just never settled for it.
There's outswinger. Couldn't get it past the bring Gray the other way. Miazga will slide across and sort of bundle that thing all the way through. Gray is down.
Yeah.
Oh, header comes sideways. Man down, and a penalty for Jamaica. Chaos off the long throw. Saved, rebound is wide. He missed it.
Big time from Matt Turner here. He reads it all the way. He already sees the body language of Leon Bailey. He anticipates early.
Tolkien's cross, flicked across, and it bounced off Yedlin. Didn't look like he was expecting that as it skipped off Lowe's head and out for a goal kick. Anyways, no one there in a yellow shirt. Morris awkwardly pulled down. That's not a foul. Morris is down. It's clipped back in the box. Turner's going to go up and get it. Morris down the line, Lowe on a yellow card, big collision, and Lowe in swinger this time, and that was Long rising up, and it ends up out and over.
I had a good look here. Aaron Long, nice ball in.
From there with him. And Senor just bundles over the back of him. Under pressure. That is going to be a foul on Lambert. Quite the night. Active all over the place. That's a really tough challenge. He sticks into the leg of Aiden Morris. Ball in for Antonio. Awkward there from Miazga, able to do enough.
He's going to get a foul.
He was fouled in that process. Was up for the U.S. That cross. Ferreira was in the area. It's popped in the air. Lowe trying to prevent the corner. Doesn't. The ball slows up. Decourt over Reed. Yedlin last man back. Is that going to be a foul? Yes, it is. And is there going to be more punishment coming? Jamaicans are arguing. In for Ferreira. Jordan Morris! And Blake to deflect it wide. 45 minutes down, 45 to go here in Chicago in the opener of the CONCACAF Gold. Multiple players, including their backup goalkeeper, getting loose. We saw Andre Blake sort of feeling at that right shoulder after the late save. Cup qualifying game in Columbus against Costa Rica. They trailed in the first minute of that. Andre Yedlin getting the cross in. It's going to find Senora. Full swing and a miss.
Well, that was the best move of the match from the United States there.
Opens it up for DeAndre Yedlin. Numbers flooding in. That cross takes a deflection.
First half, or even start to the second half here for Zendejas as the ball almost turned over again.
Antonio, wonderful work. D. Cordova-Reed. Sands gets there in time. Got to get back to it. D. Cordova-Reed poked away by Neal. Tolkien's clearance bounces off Antonio. Out for a... Zendejas will drive it in. In for Ferreira. Can he get it away? The return. Zendejas was cut off there. Covers. See the ball really bobble up a lot right now on this end. Antonio now with Sands on his back. Tolkien steps in. Neal does enough. They're shouting for a handball. Up that just completed for the United States. Off the quick throws it. Deos getting in and fires just over the bar.
That was great recognition there by DeAndre Yedlin and Zendejas.
Sands slices it backwards. Neal is outdueled by Antonio. His cross is all the way through.
Wow, I'm surprised Antonio decided to pass that.
Move to Group B, Haiti against Qatar. They're back as an invited team at this Gold Cup. And then from Houston, Mexico. Here's Mihailovic. In for Roldan. Takes it himself and curls it over the bar.
We're starting to see now the impact of the two subs.
Sands is bundled over from behind, and James Sands is down in pain. U.S. one remaining available substitute. Powell to the byline, cutting it in. Roldan saved. The rebound is blocked.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Andre Blake, are you kidding me?
And then just kind of miscontrolled that as he was surveying his options, trying to turn the corner there. Did he slip or was he tripped? It's a free. Ferreira sidesteps, clipping it in, bounces down. Vasquez!